Today I am going to teach you something about English speaking. English speaking is not an easy task that can be learned in one day, but today I will give you 3 uses, and by using these 3 uses you can speak many sentences at many places. These uses are: the first, just then; second, only then; and third, in the habit of, or the habit of. At first I will tell you what is the Hindi meaning of just then. Just then means tabhi, and only then means to tabhi. But there is some difference between both. This tabhi means उसी समय, and only then means tab ही. Just see, just then means also tabhi, only then means also tabhi, but this tabhi means उसी समय and this tabhi means tabhi. It means just then means उसी समय, only then means tabhi. But whenever you will translate, at that time often tabhi or given in the Hindi sentences. You have not to be confused. You have to find out when tabhi is giving the sense of usi samay, you have to use just then. When tabhi is giving the sense of tabhi, you have to use only then. I am going to give you some example with the help of just then and only then. Just see. At first, I will tell you the examples with the help of just then. तभी मैंने एक शेर देखा. तभी means उसी समय. Very simple. Just then I saw a lion. One more example. तभी मेरा भाई मुझे बुलाया. Very simple. Once more. Just then my brother called me. Like that you can translate many sentences as तभी मैंने उसे बुलाया. Just then I asked him. तभी मेरे पिताजी मेरे पास आए. Just then my father came to me. तभी वह मुझसे मिला. Just then he met me. So like that, whenever you get tabhi in the sense of usi samay, you have to use just then, and after that, according as tense, you have to form the sentence. I think you have got the use of just then. Now I am going to tell you about only then. So now I will give you the example of only then. As I have told you that only then means tabhi. In real sense, tabhi. You know, this shows especially a kind of condition. Condition type things are represented by only then. A condition is there. शर्त होता है इसमें. As वहां जाओ तभी वह तुमसे मिलेगा. Very simple. Go there, only then he will meet you. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, मन लगा कर पढ़ो, तभी तुम अच्छे अंक पा सकते हो। वेरी सिंपल, मन लगा कर पढ़ो, लर्न बाय हार्ट, मन लगा कर पढ़ो, तभी ओनली देन you can get good marks. It's very simple. So for these kind of sentences, only then is used. You can translate some more sentences. उसे बुलाओ तभी वह तुम्हारी सहायता करेगा. Call him, only then he will help you. समय से सो जाओ तभी तुम्हारा स्वास्थ्य सही रहेगा. Sleep on time, only then your health will be good. So like that, whenever this kind of formation is there, you can use only then. The next use is in the habit of or the habit of. One thing I want to tell you, these both give the same sense. In the habit of or the habit of give the same sense, that is की आदत है. You know, or you can say की आदत, not है, की आदत. In the habit means be verb should be given before in the habit, while before the habit of have verb is given. Be verb means, you should know, be verb means is, am, are, was, were. Is, am, are, was, were. These means be verb. Have verb means has, have, had. One more thing I want to tell you, is, am, or. Is, am, or, these are the present form of be verb. Was, were, these are the past form of be verb. Here have, has, have are the present form of have verb. Had is the past form of the have verb. Now it's all depend on our sentence. If it has been given की आदत है, present formation will be used. की आदत थी, past formation can be used. No problem is there. Now see the example. उसे टहलने की आदत है. This sentence has been given. Very simple. I will tell you by using both how you can translate. उसे टहलने की आदत है. If you are going to use in the habit of, so he is in the habit of टहलने, verb ing, walking. He is in the habit of walking. उसे टहलने की आदत है. If you want to use the habit of, he has the habit of walking. He has the habit of walking. उसे टहलने की आदत है. If the same sentence is going to be there, उसे टहलने की आदत थी. If he is going to be here, उसे टहलने की आदत थी. No problem is there. Only he was in the habit of walking, and here he had the habit of walking. Some more examples I am going to give you. मुझे झूठ बोलने की आदत है. So I am in the habit of telling a lie, or I have the habit of telling a lie. One more example I am giving you. तुम्हें चापलूसी की आदत है. Very simple. We can write, you are in the habit of flattery. Flattery. Verb ing form has not been given there. Flattery is abstract noun. If you want to translate this one with the help of the habit of, you can say you have the habit of flattery. So either you can use, no problem is there, in the habit of or the habit of. Only one thing you have to care, when you are going to use in the habit of, before this one be verb should be there. It means is, am, are, was, were according as the sentence. And when you are going to write the habit of, before this one have verb should be there according as it's a tense. If past is there, had. If present is there, has for singular number, have for plural number. Like that you can translate many other sentences. उसे बिस्तर में पढ़ने की आदत है. He is in the habit of reading in the bed, or he has in the habit of reading in the bed. उसे सुबह में रोने की आदत है. He is in the habit of weeping in the morning. He has the habit of weeping in the morning. Like that, whatever sentences are going to be given with की आदत है और की आदत थी, you can use in the habit of or the habit of, and it can be easily translated.